The vibrant tapestry of color that enriches our visual world is not an inherent property of objects, but rather a complex interplay of physics, biology, and neurology. At its foundation, color perception begins with light, a component of the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light, comprised of various wavelengths, each corresponding to a distinct hue, forms the basis of our chromatic experience. Shorter wavelengths manifest as blues and violets, while longer wavelengths present as reds and oranges. The color of an object, therefore, is not an intrinsic quality, but a reflection of the wavelengths it does not absorb. A red apple, for instance, absorbs most of the light spectrum, reflecting only the red wavelengths that subsequently reach our eyes. The human eye, a marvel of biological engineering, plays a pivotal role in translating these wavelengths into the sensation of color. Within the retina, specialized photoreceptor cells, rods, and cones initiate the process. Rods, highly sensitive to light intensity, facilitate vision in low light conditions, providing a grayscale representation of the environment. Cones, conversely, are responsible for color vision, operating optimally in brighter illumination. The majority of humans possess 3 types of cone cells, each uniquely sensitive to different wavelengths, red, green, and blue. These cones, acting as specialized detectors, respond to the incoming light by generating electrical signals. The complexity of color perception arises from the brain's interpretation of these signals. When light strikes the retina, the cones, depending on the wavelengths present, stimulate varying levels of activity in the 3 cone types. The resulting electrical signals are transmitted along the optic nerve to the visual cortex, the brain's processing center for visual information. Here, the brain meticulously decodes the relative strengths of the signals from the red, green, and blue cones, combining them to create a continuous spectrum of perceived colors. This intricate process allows us to discern a vast array of hues, from the subtle pastels of a sunrise to the bold primaries of a painter's palette. In essence, color is a subjective experience, a neurological construct built upon the foundation of physical phenomena. The interaction of light with objects, the selective reflection of wavelengths, and the sophisticated processing of these wavelengths by the eye and brain culminate in the rich and varied world of color we perceive. It is a testament to the intricate and elegant mechanisms that underpin our sensory experience, a reminder that the world we see is not merely a reflection of physical reality, but a carefully crafted interpretation by our own minds.